Hey guys, okay. Last week, Asa and I went to Mexico and we had Caesar salad. We went to a restaurant and they made it tableside. And I had never seen, first of all, I didn't know that Caesar salad was actually like discovered or started in Tijuana, Mexico. Had no idea. I had never actually seen it made from scratch, not tableside. So I've been making it. This will be my second time. I'm gonna leave the measurements down in the comments, but I just wanted to like take you guys through and show you how to make Caesar salad from scratch. It's so easy, and I feel like you're never gonna go back. You're gonna start with anchovy paste. Now the last time I got like actual anchovies, but this I like better because I can just put the cap on it and put it back in the fridge. We're gonna do some Worcestershire. Worcestershire is like good in everything. We're gonna do a fresh lemon. It's a juicy one. We're gonna go in with Dijon mustard. Now last time I did whole grain mustard and it was really good too, but this one is gonna it's gonna have like that little bit of sweetness. Drizzle that in there. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil. This is a special one from Ancient Olive, and it has like a garlic flavor. I've noticed the recipes that I found, some people do mayonnaise, some people don't. It's kind of up to you and what you want to do. We're doing mayonnaise. We're gonna whisk this around. And I'm making it right in my salad bowl that I'm gonna use. I do need to add garlic and salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna do sea salt. I feel like as long as you have like a grinded salt, you don't want just like table salt. And some fresh pepper. There's the texture you're looking for. Caesar salad is a lot about the dressing, obviously. Romaine hearts is what I like to use. I just cut them up. I do, for my family of 4, I'll do 2. Chop it. You can buy the pre-packaged romaine that's already chopped. I just prefer this. I don't know why, but I like it. Toss it around in the dressing. Make sure you get it all coated. Once you toss all that together, I get the fresh Parmesan, grate that on top. But I like to mix it in. So I'm gonna do one batch by grating it and then tossing that around. I did want to tell you too, if for some reason you can't have like anchovies because maybe you have a seafood allergy, you can just leave it out. Some people prefer to leave it out because they don't like the taste of it. So, but traditional Caesar salad definitely has anchovy in the dressing. Okay, so we're gonna go with some croutons. You can add whatever kind you want. I'm gonna leave those on top. I don't wanna like mix them in. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more cheese. This is so easy and it's so much more fresh tasting than like the bags. So if you can, make it from scratch. I'm gonna add a little more pepper. And there you go, Caesar salad. Let me know what you think.